Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Freecell Solitaire. Freecell is a popular card game where your main objective is to move all 52 cards from the tableau to the 4 foundation piles. You'll sort them by suit, starting with the ace and building up to the king. The game begins with all cards face up, making it a game of skill and strategy rather than luck. Let's dive into the layout and basic moves. The Freecell board has 3 main areas. First, the 8 tableau columns contain all 52 cards, with some columns having 7 cards and others 6. Second, the 4 free cells are vital. Each can hold just 1 card temporarily. Use them wisely to unblock other cards. Third, the 4 home cells are your ultimate destination, where you build up each suit from ace to king. Understanding these areas is key to making your moves. To play Freecell effectively, strategy is paramount. Always try to move aces and twos to their home cells early on, as this opens up many possibilities. Keeping your free cells empty or using them only when absolutely necessary is a golden rule, as they are your most flexible tools. Before making a move, consider its impact on future plays. Planning ahead and creating empty tableau columns will significantly increase your chances of winning. While Freecell is almost always solvable, some common pitfalls can hinder your progress. A major one is filling all 4 free cells too quickly, which can leave you with no valid moves. Always think about the long-term consequences of each card placement. Avoid trapping crucial cards that you'll need later. With consistent practice, you'll develop a keen eye for strategic opportunities and learn to navigate complex situations, making you a Freecell master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.